channel. We're back again, showing you how to install the ultimate CVT cover. With this cover, you're going to get the backing plate, the stainless steel. You're going to get the front plate, which is the billet front plate. You're going to get 10 bolts for the hardware. In those, you're going to get 2 M6x90s. You're going to get 7 M6x60s. 1 M6x65, and then each one is going to have 10 little M6 flat washers. You're also going to get a front plate and a backing plate. And the front plate and backing plate are going to have different designs, so you'll be able to tell which one is for the front, which it has a more curvature design, and then the back, which Felix has right there, is a flat, longer design. You can see. For this, you'll be watching the short axle install video. You'll see how to take off all the parts of your original CVT. And with our TRS kit here, all you will need is the 6mm Allen head. And then usually we're going to use a wrench for it, ratchet wrench. And then, as always, make sure you want to use Loctite. So what we're going to do is we're going to get into this right now, and we'll show you how to begin. Alright, really brief. I know I said we were going to get into the install, and I'm stalling this right now for you guys, but I failed to mention that you're also going to get 6 concave spacers. As you can see right there. Those are very important. We need those. You want them. You're going to put them on. Alright, back to the install. Okay, so your transmission is going to look open just like this. We just went ahead and slid the clutch on, and the bolt is on there hand tight right now. We haven't hit it with an impact. That's how we're going to start doing this. What we're going to do next is we're going to take that steel backing plate. He's going to slide it over and kind of rest it on the sheath, and then on the crank there where your drive face and variator are going to rest. He's going to put the belt and just put it right in that belt groove there on the variator, or I'm sorry, on the clutch, and rest it like that. Next, what he's going to do is he's going to take the front plate along with one of the M6x60s, put it through, put the spacer on the other side, and then line it up with the middle one. So now you have a little bit of a brace there, and it'll be able to hold it in place. Again, he's going to thread it hand tight just to kind of get it in there, using his other hand to prop it up. And normally you would use red Loctite. He's going to take the other one, and basically he's going to repeat the same step and do it with the 3 top M6x60s and the 3 bottom M6x60s. Putting each one through with the spacer and leaving the washer on the outside going against the face of the front plate. Next up, he's going to take his belt. He's going to slide it down and over the crank just to get it out of the way. I'm going to take the back piece. He's going to line it up, and you'll see how it fits in between the 2 holes. And these are where those 2 M6x90s are going to go through. You're going to take that and tighten it up just like he did previously with the other bolts. going to do the same thing with the front plate here. You can use the M6x60 for the top hole. You line in that spacer, put it through and tighten it up. And for that bottom, it's going to be that one M6x65. It's a little bit longer. You're going to run that through and tighten that as well. Alright, now that you have all the bolts on and tightened down, you can go ahead and put your variator and drive face on. And what you want to do is you always can squeeze the belt in the back here like we've done in previous videos. Be able to just slide it off the crank here. Put the boss inside the variator. Slide it over the crank. And you're going to slide the belt onto the boss, again with pinching it so it can remove the pressure. You can get it on the boss, put your drive face on, line it up in the groove, and then go ahead and put your washer and then your nut on. You can hit that with the impact and then go ahead and tighten it up, and there you go. You have the ultimate CVT cover installed and placed on. Thanks again for watching the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.